Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to create serialite effect in PowerPoint. Our presentation is going to be like this. We are going to learn how to create a serialite effect for the festive seasons. It will be like this and be like this and like this. Let's go and learn how we are going to create this in PowerPoint. Click on new slide, insert pictures. Let me select this picture, format background. I already added the background colors. Let's go to insert, text box. We'll type happy and we'll change the font to 40. This is the font I'm using, and increase the size maybe to 100. Then we'll insert the light effect. Go to insert, go to shapes. Under lines there is option called curve. Let's select the curve, just draw a line, click from here, drag it till there, double click. Similarly, again insert, shapes, curve, and we'll draw one more line from insert, shapes, curve. We'll just click on here, like this. Then we'll change the format shape. We'll go there, change the color, we'll give a yellow color. Width will change maybe to 8 points. Dash type we'll select, round dot, cap type round, join type round. So now we got the bulb effect. Now we wanted to make sure the bulb is glowing effect. So let's go to glow, select the option, this one. So now we have created this. Let's copy this, home, painter, and we will put down this. So we created this. For underlining one more line, we'll click insert, shapes, again curve, we'll draw a line from here to here. So again we'll select. Now let's select all three options, make Ctrl G for grouping, and we'll give the animation effect for this. Go to animations, add animation. You have to go to more emphasis effects, and they will select the blink option and OK. And we'll go and give a effect options, timing, start with previous and repeat until end of this slide. Okay, and if you run this, you can see we have the glowing effect of lights. Now we'll incorporate similar effect to all other letters. Now select this, go to animations, animation painter, and select this option. Similarly, animation painter, and copy to this. Animation painter and this. So we are just copying the effects. So let's run this. So we have created the glowing effect, serial light effect like this, but it is glowing at a time. We need to have each letter glowing one by one. Let's go to animation painter, this option, select delay. You give 0.25 seconds delay for each effects. This one to 0.5, this one is to 0.75, and this one you can give to 1 second. So overall there is 1.25 seconds. So let's increase all the things to 1.25. Let's see the presentation now. I think we missed one. This one 0.75 and this one 1. So we have created the serial bulb effect. Let's add one more text box. We'll type Durga Puja, align center. We'll take some other new good fonts, maybe this one. Increase the size. And we'll give a animation. Grow and shape. So let's see. Let's make this with previous effect option until end of the slide. Okay, now we'll add the serial light effect at the both side of the slide. Let's go to insert shapes. Again we'll select lines. We'll draw a from here to here. Same way, go to format shape. We'll change the color to yellow, maybe red. Now we'll take a orange one. Point, we'll put some 20 points, 10 points. Dash type, this one. Again flat, round, miller, round. We'll increase maybe 10 points. Same way, we'll give an animation. We'll copy from here, animation painter. So we copied the animations over here. So we got the glowing effect. Let's copy this and copy and put 3 times here. So we added the different colors at the borders, and our serial light effect looks like this. Isn't it good? We can change the caption as per the festival, maybe Happy Durga Puja, Happy Dasara, Happy Navaratri, Happy Diwali, whatever we can change, and even the picture as per the festival. Thank you friends. Hope you find this tutorial. Try and create this highlight effect for the festive season. Thank you. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.